Sermon number 177. The two arbiters, after the battle of Siffin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Your party had decided to select two persons, and so we took their pledge that they would act according to the Quran and would not commit excess, that their tongues should be with it and that their hearts should follow it. But they deviated from it, abandoned what was right although they had it before their eyes. Wrongdoing was their desire, and going astray was their behavior. Although we had settled with them to decide with justice, to act according to the light and without the interference of their evil views and wrong judgment. Now that they have abandoned the course of right and have come out with just the opposite of what was settled, we have strong ground to reject their verdict.